Welcome back to Cabin Crew Steps YouTube channel. We are continuing our essential series on how to apply to any airline. And today, we're diving into our first real-time, step-by-step application walkthrough with one of the world's most exciting airlines, Emirates. Before we click a single button, I have a very important message for you. If you have not watched our previous video, how to write a cabin crew CV, then pause this video right now. Go and watch it. Prepare your professional CV exactly as I showed you. And then come back. I'll be right here waiting. This video will be useless if you don't have that perfectly prepared. Also, if you don't have much time and want to make CV very quickly, you can download a ready-made CV from the link in the description. Then just fill in your details and apply. Now, for everyone who is ready with their CV, we are about to go through the Emirates career website together. I will show you every field to fill, every button to click, and guide you through the entire process, so you can apply with 100% confidence. And here is the most critical part. Once you follow these steps and apply, your goal is to receive that golden ticket, the invitation for the recruitment event. When you get that email, your next step is absolutely crucial. Do not go into that interview blind. I have already done the hard work for you. Go and watch my deep dive videos on the Etihad Airways and Riyadh Air cabin crew real interview questions. By watching them, you will see all the questions and learn the strategies to answer them perfectly. They will help you to walk into your recruitment event fully prepared and with full confidence. So, to recap. First, watch the CV video if you haven't. Second, follow along with this tutorial to apply. Third, after you apply, go and study the interview questions. This is your complete roadmap to success. And for those of you who want to take your preparation to the absolute highest level and have every resource at your fingertips, I want to personally invite you to join our exclusive community on Patreon. When you join, you will get instant access to downloadable PDF files containing all the online interview questions, Emirates group discussion topics, situational role plays, face-to-face interview questions, and English test samples. It's a complete preparation kit, constantly updated with everything you need to succeed and get your dream job. You can find the direct link to join in the first comment pinned below this video, and also in the video description. Click the link, become a part of our community, and let's get you hired. Alright, let's not waste another second, and let's get you one step closer to your dream job. First, ensure you have a folder on your computer with all necessary documents. For any airline application, you generally need these files: a cover letter, your educational certificates, a full-body photograph in business attire, a passport-size photo, your passport scan, and your CV. For this specific Emirates application, we will use 6 documents: cover letter, the CV we made together in PDF format, a full-body photograph, a passport-size photo, your passport-size photo, and your educational certificate. Being organized is key to a smooth application. Now, open your internet browser. I will go to the Google search page. In the search bar, I will type the following: Emirates cabin crew careers. Then I press enter. I will click on the first result, which should be the official Emirates careers website. We are now on the main careers page. I will show you the layout quickly. Now, to find the cabin crew jobs, scroll down and choose your location, then click on the button that says Apply. For this demonstration, I will pretend I am applying from Saudi Arabia. So after you choose the location, click on Apply. Clicking Apply will redirect you to a new page called Cabin Crew Opportunities. If you are a new candidate, you just need to upload your latest CV to start your application. Click on From Device button. A window will open. Navigate to your Documents folder, select your CV PDF file, and click Open. This step is simple. Then click Continue. Read the privacy notice, which explains how your personal data will be managed, by clicking the checkbox you accepted, and then click the Next button. Now we are on the most important part, the candidate profile page. This is where you upload your documents and fill in your information. The first step is to upload your cover letter. Find the section called Cover Letter and click the Choose File button. Navigate to your Documents folder, select your cover letter PDF file, and click Open. Next, we upload the photo. Scroll a little to upload a full-length casual or formal photo like the photo above. Click the Choose File button again. Find your full-body photograph file in your folder, and select it to upload. Next, we can add another photo. Scroll a little to upload another photo if desired. Click the Choose File button again. Find your passport size photo file in your folder, and select it to upload. Now, watch what happens. The website will automatically read your CV and fill in many details for you, like your name and phone number. This is why we made a simple, clean CV. Now, scroll down through the form. You will see that many fields are already filled with the information from your CV. Your task now is to review every section carefully. You must enter any information that is missing and correct anything that was not read properly by the website. Next, select your title. You need to complete all the personal details. Your first name, middle name, and last name as in passport. Email address. All your contact details including country code and mobile number. Your country of residence, your city. Date of birth. Your gender. And your nationality. Next, answer the question. Please indicate if you'd like to be contacted for any other vacancies within the Emirates group that might also align well with your skills and experience. Choose the option that fits you. I suggest you select yes to not miss any updates. The final part on this page is to create a login. This is very important. And create a new password. This login allows you to track your application status later, so please remember your password. Now, do a final verification. Check every single piece of information one more time. When you are 100% sure everything is correct, click the Next button. We are moving to the next stage. This page is for education and work history informations. First, choose your highest education qualification. Then type your university school name, the major, and the education completion date. Next, we move to work history. Answer the question, do you have any work experience? When you choose yes, you will indicate if you have had any experience as cabin crew. Choose yes or no, or training only. Then indicate which airline. You will answer these questions based on your own situation. Type the job title. Then select the start date and the end date. What is your notice period? Choose the option that fits you. And finally, select your notice period and your current work location based on your own profile. Now, do a final verification. Check every single piece of information one more time. When you are 100% sure everything is correct, click the next button. Now we have some specific questions. Answer these questions honestly based on your own profile. Please state if you have any relationship with a current staff member, supplier, regulator, or competitor of the Emirates Group. I will choose no. Please state if you have previously been employed by any company, entity within the Emirates Group. I will choose no. Answer yes or no truthfully. Next, declare languages you can read, write, and speak fluently. Enter your height. Have you attended a previous assessment for cabin crew? If you select yes, type the city where you attended last and the latest date attended. Next, select how many years of experience do you have in roles where you regularly engaged with members of the public, such as customers, guests, patients, young individuals, or students. Are you comfortable serving alcohol? I will choose yes. Are you able and comfortable entering water while wearing a life jacket? I will choose yes. Are you comfortable wearing the Emirates uniform as part of your role? I will choose yes. Are you open to working flexible hours, including nights, weekends, and public holidays? I will choose yes. Visible tattoos must not appear in uncovered areas whilst wearing our uniform. Please study the attached picture above and confirm that you do not have tattoos or markings in the gray areas. Finally, you must read and tick the last box. This declares that all information you provided is true and correct, and that you understand giving false information can lead to termination of employment. You are done. Click the Submit button. Congratulations! Your application is now submitted. You should receive an automatic confirmation email that begins with, "Thank you for your application and for taking the first step toward a career with Emirates Group." This email is your proof that the application was successful. To track your application later, you can go back to the Emirates Career website. Click on the Log Back In button. It will take you to a login page. Enter your email address and then type your password. Then click Login. You are now in your candidate account. Click on your name in the top right corner. Scroll down and click My Profile button. Here you can edit your profile, and also you can click on Job Applications to see your application there with the status under review. All you need to do is wait for the next email, which will be about the invitation for the recruitment event interview. When you receive that email, remember to watch our other videos that cover the interview questions for Riyadh Air and Etihad Airways, and visit our Patreon community page to prepare fully. And this is just the beginning. We will be covering applications for other airlines very soon. Our next videos will take us through the exact same real-time, step-by-step process for Etihad Airways, Air Arabia, and more. We will walk through each of their career websites together, so you will know exactly how to successfully apply to every major airline on your list. You won't want to miss a single guide. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, if it saved you time and confusion, then please pay it back with a like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Your support is what allows me to create these detailed, free series for you. Tells me you want more content like this. I'll see you in the next video.